j'en nous là, qui j'en nous côté Mounio, ça a fait. Bon, gens qu'on dit rassembler. Je dis nous tous bonsoir et bienvenue. J'ai noté, ouais, moi, côté que moi, t'es Shelly matin et que m'a avec un artiste haïtien, haïtien américain, qui c'est un jeune qui gagne une voix sonore qui est extrême, et qui fait billboard, qui chante, qui fait musique déjà avec Rick Ross, qui fait musique ensemble avec Cardi B, qui gagne pile de projets à venir. Déjà au niveau international, là, monsieur gagne tout ça, un artiste à souhaiter. Exemple, production claire, production internationale, en pile monde, like the whole world comme monsieur. Et monsieur son monde tout qui focus dans le travail, qui croit dans produit, et puis fait fanatique le plaisir, jouer ça pour le jouer, et faire musique là avec passion comme on a besoin. Et puis, notre côté que nous connaissons en Haïti, nous recevons un paquet d'étrangers qui sont sortis en Afrique, qui sont sortis tout côté. Ils sont sortis tout côté. Mais là, moi, ils ont annoncé ça en Haïti, nous demandons rager, il faut nous aller, il faut que nous là. Nous gourmets, nous cherchons cob, nous serrons cob, parce que nous avons besoin présent. Laissez l'autre artiste international qui vient. Monsieur, même gens, avec même artiste qu'on voit que promoteur à rentrer en Haïti, et puis ils joignent l'amour ça que nous-mêmes nous gagnons pour musique, pour artistes. Même gens nous gagnons même l'amour pour artistes internationaux, plus artistes nationaux et tout. Il faut nous gagner même l'amour ça pour l'autre qui yo même y a gourmet pour yo rentrer pour dire communauté haïtienne. Yeah, we did it. Mais salier, mais qui salier. Monsieur le Georges Exantus. Non artiste c'est Josh X. Et l'aime dit nous c'est pour un artiste pitié, c'est pour un petit artiste jouet. C'est pour un joindre ou just well ou bien nous doit qu'on attendait et puis nous pas jamais connaître monsieur son haïtien tout. Est-ce que vous comprenez? En tout cas, moi la avec lui-même la ban nous détail ça yo. Nous pas font parler. Pas oublier pas venir critiquer moun pour anglais pas bon, monsieur parle plus anglais que créole, mais nous pour laisser faire Jean tout le monde a souhaité pour nous tout comprendre. Bah mal chercher Josh pour nous, Josh X. Encore une fois, monsieur c'est un coquin jeune artiste. Même moi, les monsieur, première fois, moi, monsieur qui a chanté, c'était en Haïti, non presse confiance qui était présenté par Frédéric Jean-Baptiste. Et puis, nous ouais, et comme si m'attendais voir Michael Jackson, comme si existait toujours. Nous parlons de ça dans le live là. Présentez-nous. Je dis à notre live, nous connaissons les petits bas de gauche. Nous parlons avec artistes, nous parlons avec monde, nous prenons gros dossier. Jeff, what's up? Yo, what's up?
Ça qu'a fait, man, my brother, how you
doing? Nous posons nous même.
Nous bah comment on fait pas marcher, fouet, il fouet, New York.
Il fouet. What's up? Okay, what about yourself? You know, from the day you start, you know, working on the studio with new project. What did you do?
Say it again. Hold on. Sorry, it was background noise. I couldn't hear you. Say it again.
I know you're working a lot on the studio, you know, trying to come with new project. What's going on?
I've been working on some new stuff. I got a new record coming this month actually. So I got 3 songs I'm dropping. Okay. I got a song coming with Fabio Foreign, my drop by 5 days.
Big one.
Yeah, big one. Fabio Foreign, Josh X, Crazy Bagay. Then I got one with Baki. Baki just sent me a verse, Crazy Bagay. Josh
Baki Populaire.
Yeah, Baki. Yup, Josh X and Baki coming with some heat.
Et comme si me connais, Martin tweet Baki pour sortir et pour le new track avec un gros artiste international.
Oh,
but
shit.
I was just thinking about it.
What? So we met this idea and it happened.
Mettez le tout petit.
It happened. So we knew là. Me and
So,
Baki
ou même à Baki.
we got a smash. I'm really excited. Shout out to Baki for showing me love with this record too. He killed it. And then I got a solo song coming called Hennessy and High Grade. So I got a few records coming, man. I'm excited, man. How you been? How's everything since I seen you in Haiti, man? How's everything?
Same thing, working hard. Moi,
Okay.
qui est maintenant tout bagay, rap, compas, musique traditionnelle.
Tout bagay, mais fait pas marcher.
Oui, mon cher, je suis content de recevoir aujourd'hui dans live ça. Et il y a pile bon, il y a des gens qui a suivi nous, que nous allons quitter live ça, bien mettre sur YouTube.
Okay.
Et faut-il parler de vous-même quand vous sorti,
oui.
Vous comprenez, depuis qu'il a fait musique?
Oui, so Kounya, maman sort au Cap. Maman,
Au Cap.
Yeah, au Cap. Cap haïtien?
Oui.
Oui, maman. Maman dis-moi, maman petit monde that you know, Haïti, li vin America pour faire un travail. Li pas vin là pour faire tout monde faire jouet. Li pas en jouet avec tout monde. So maman gagne 5 petites. Maman dit moi pour toute petite pour travail et jouer piano. Faut pas vouloir jouer piano, pas vouloir travail, mat retio, mais non l'autre côté. So même
Ou choisir piano.
Oui, je jouer piano bien vite. Bien vite, fais mes jeunes. Bien vite. Oui, mamie, oui. Cause I lived in America, but my mom raised me like I was in Haiti. Okay. Everything was à genoux, mettez à genoux, chita là, me dit, oh, so kounya à genoux, sentiment, solution, tout bagarre gen. So
okay.
Me dit, maman, pas qu'à battre petit monde en America, il dit, ha. Me dit, pas qu'à battre, me dit, non, pas qu'à battre moi. Mon blanche dit, maman, ou pas qu'à tout j'aime. C'est America qui a un paquet l'or. Maman me dit, boum.
Bateau piré.
Il bat moi l'école, il bat moi dehors, il bat moi. But c'est ça, je connais, fait travail. I joke a lot about it, but I wouldn't want to be raised any other way. Because yes. If my mom didn't raise me like that in these American streets in New York City, I don't think I would have been who I am today.
So qui bon levé New York? Brooklyn,
I was born in Brooklyn, and then I was raised in Queens.
In Queens.
So
okay.
Yeah, so in Brooklyn, my mom, she had, you know, all of us born in Brooklyn, 5 kids, and Papa went, you know, in my life growing up, you know, just my father was a vagabond, paquet farm. So, so mom dit, "Wait, pa, be like your father, cause tout à father, mais farm. Ou pas pour travailler à l'école." So,
okay.
M'écoute maman, à l'école, jouer piano, and I'm very happy that I listened because that's how I became Josh X. Everything was starting from the piano, raised classical music, and that's when I got into R&B.
Okay, but ou commencez à jouer piano, mais qui l'a vu connaître que vous voix qui agréable, qui comme si le monde parle remettre.
So Kounya, t'es en belle forme, t'es remet. Maman me dit moi musique classique pour une belle forme. So je suis avec lui comme ça. Fais mes yeux, garder, Kounya me lever avec jouer, tout qui aime à jouer. Fais comme ça. Kounya me lever, moi femme couille, me dit conquête. Me dit qu'on doit aller. Me dit no, you playing classical music, par contre qui ça va jouer, me dit oh. Maman me dit mais faut m'aimer pas comme ça. So me dit no. What can I learn to play to get the girls? Cause même belle femme. Même genre côté papa me pense ça.
Faut aimer belle femme. Tout garçon aime belle femme.
Oui, même belle femme. So Kounya, I learned how to play an R&B song and I sing some for your audience. It's an American artist called Brian McKnight.
Okay,
and
do
Brian
that.
McKnight was my favorite R&B singer. And he had a song called Anytime. And c'est chanter ça I learned. And I me prendre même femme que jouer classical music for. And me chanter ça comme ça. Ma jouer petit calpo.
Okay, do that.
Can't remember why we fell apart. There's something that was so meant to be. When y'all from t'es content. Kounya from Vela Mwe. Il pour
From
moi.
Madagascar.
Ah, il rage, il pour moi qui ben tout bas, il me dit OK chez. M'baka di ça nous fait comme gen madame là. Bon Kounya après bagay. From
Et vous gérez bagay.
On pas que bagay nous fait, il dit OK, say the singing stuff could work. Because if I get to where I need to be, when from my man, she fin la chante encore for l'homme okay, she ma chante m'geta. I said I love the attention. I'm getting beautiful girls listening to me sing. If I go to college and graduate with a bachelor's in music, I asked my mom, can I do anything? My mom said, you know, every music American devil, c'est Satan. So he just said, Satan, he decided whatever. Rap, hip hop, you know, not hip hop, R&B, mom. Stevie Wonder,
R&B, yeah,
Bad Guy, Stevie Wonder. Mom tell me Stevie Wonder. So mommy did, okay, Stevie back on Stevie Wonder.
But c'est sûr que my meilleure époque ça t'es content de Lionel Richie.
Yes,
you know,
oui, c'est ça, tout ça.
Tout haïtien,
Richie, all of those Luther Vandross. So when we do R&B, maman dit, ok, c'est bon musique, ou me fait ça. So after you finish l'école, ou me fait anything you want to do. So I finished l'école, Bali bachelor's in music, and then I got into the professional career. Shout out
Bachelor
to
in music.
Celebrity who's in the building. What up, sis?
What? You know, bachelor in music, that's mean
say it again?
big level.
Yeah,
the last one, right?
Yes.
But listen, how many records do you have? Combien like vous get a produit déjà?
Produit on packet. I have over 1,000 songs. You know, over 1,000 songs, original songs that I've written and produced. A lot of them I just waiting to release them. My point time when I'm toujours écrit, tout le temps écrit, toujours écrit. Pas jamais écrit en dans papier, écrit en dans tête moi. So when I'm driving, I'm writing. When I'm sitting here, I'm writing. When I'm talking to you, I might be thinking of a song. I'm always thinking of music. So for me, it's easy to create. But I'm over 1,000 original songs.
So how many you got out there already?
Original music?
Yeah.
I would say like 20 songs? 20, 25 songs? 20, 25 songs?
Not bad. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. I've written for a lot of other artists. That's original Josh X music. But then I got songs that I've written for other artists as well. So, you know, I don't really count the songs I have out, but I have a lot out. Next time we talk, I'll give you an exact number. But I have a lot out.
Okay,
Let's say over 25 songs.
Okay. Can you sing for me or try to do something with the piano? Your first song in your life, you know, original song you put out.
Okay, this is my first song. Can you see the piano? Can you see the piano?
I don't see the piano.
Okay, I'm gonna fix it where you see. You see that?
Okay, now I see it.
Okay.
No, it's a little bit like.
Yeah, sideways though. Put it straight. Hold on.
No.
Focus. Hold on. All right here. You see?
Yeah, right here is good.
All right, cool. All right, straight?
Yeah, straight.
All right, so this song right here called First Time. This was the first song that I released, first R&B song I released. And I wrote this song in my head, and the piano in my head. I was moving from New York to Boston when I wrote this song. And I was sad because I'm thinking on from thinking, but I'm back at the avec moi-même pour move because of travail on paquet bagay. But this is when first.
Ou te get sou move ou même avec fia?
Oui, bien vite. M'te get on move. So quand me dit, ou pas qu'à venir avec moi, but m'te remet from ça en pile. So m'te écrit a record called First Time. And the first time was about making love to your woman or your guy, vice versa, for the first time. And I wrote about it. And this song is actually the song that got me out the most recognition at the first, like, for me, I was blown away because I met everybody that I've ever dreamt of meeting.
Oh, but this is what this song, you made the Billboard?
This song was on Billboard as well. This is my first song on Billboard called First Time. Yes, and this is my first single that hit Billboard on the R&B charts. And it got me endorsed by Brian McKnight, who's my favorite singer, and Stevie Wonder, who's my second favorite singer. So those two artists recognized me through this song, and it's called First Time. And I'm gonna sing a little bit for you right now. You ready?
Please do that.
Y'all ready? Let's go.
Yes.
on the light so I can see what I'm doing, girl. I'm loving the way how you move, how you do that, girl. Minus those shoes, cause tonight I'm gonna be attraction, girl. Attraction, girl, I love my girl. Loving the way I rock you, girl. Pull on your hair, cause you love it when I do that, girl. Tonight's a special night for us, it feels like heaven, girl. Work my way down for me to penetrate. Grab your waist, pleasant place, pushing till it breaks. Nothing like a very first time, my baby. I really love you, oh girl. Ain't nothing like a very first time, my baby. I really love you, oh girl. I really love you, oh girl. Hey.
That's nice, bro.
Thank you.
When did you put there's a song called Walk Away?
Oh, you listening. Walk away. Yeah, this right here. This is one of my favorite songs I wrote. It's about walking away from someone you love. Ou m gen problem, gen pa ke
But
problem.
obligé.
Gen problem. Tout music men, pa kiten, baby, d'amour, love you, miss you, chérie, pardon. Aïe, papam, c'est papam, faute papam. So, walk away is about
majorité musicaux, c'est pour majorité musicaux, c'est pour des filles qui told you walk away or she walk away.
For me, I had to walk away. Même quitter. I quitted because I wasn't doing the right thing. You feel me? And I didn't want to hurt the girl. So for me, I wrote a song, Walk Away, and it's for me, même quitter. Y'all want me to you want me to sing a little bit for you?
Yeah, a little bit, please. I really wanna. Yeah, I like it. It's because I like it.
Thank you.
I remember one day I sent it to a girl. I tell her, I'm tired, so I have to send her
that.
But I have to. I'm married, so I send her the music. That's it.
Yeah, this is a perfect song if you want to keep on fun or keep on moon voy a song. No. Don't listen to me. I love you too, baby. What's up, girl? Here we go. It's so hard for me to let you know that I took your life for granted. Everything I said wasn't so. And now I just can't sleep. It's like I feel your soul. Baby girl, it's me, you're perfect. Is there someone that treats you like gold? But it's so hard for me to go and walk away. But it's so hard for me to go when you need me to stay, baby. But it's so hard for me to go and walk away, away. And it's so hard for me to go when you need me to stay, baby. Whoa. Yes, sir.
Boule tu feu. Ok. Ou fait musique ensemble avec We Crossing Caribbean.
Yeah.
Qu'est-ce que ça a commencé? You know the story. The coup ou même We Crossing Caribbean.
Okay. So Cardi B, shout out to Cardi, you know, somebody I worked with early in the career. We were label mates. We were signed to the same record company in 2016 and 2015, sorry. And when I met her through the CEO of the record company, Shaf, who's an Haitian as well.
Yeah, Shaf, I know Shaf.
Yeah, Shaf is an Haitian Gourmet who, you know, loves
I know he's a producer too, right?
Yes, Shaf is a producer. He actually produced my song Heaven on My Mind featuring Cardi B. That was another song we had on Billboard. But Shaf is somebody that I met in 2015. And he had this artist by the name of Cardi B. And for me, I was like, when I met Shaf, there was something special about Shaf that I guess because he was an Haitian too, on top of that, like I felt the culture and I felt connected to him. And
It's like that.
yeah, I totally started working with him, and everything that he believed in, I started to believe in too. And at the time, he was working with Cardi, and Cardi was his first artist. And you know, when I met her, I actually believed in what he was saying she was gonna
Don't
do.
forget what you're saying. Ou konen kan pil Haitien pa konen ke they love Cardi B.
Yeah.
Konen pa jen konen son Haitien ki te premier ap
Yeah,
travale.
yeah. There's the
And
Haitian.
is Shaf your manager?
Yes,
Your producer.
yeah. Shaf is a producer. He's the record label. He's management. I mean, Shaf just does a lot of great things. I mean, anybody that don't know Shaf, you can follow my boy and check him out at I Am Shaf. But
Yes.
we are, you know, the whole KSR group. What up, Uno? That's another artist that's with us too. Who knows Uno? What up, boy? He up next. But we got a bunch of people that with Shaf, he just introduced me to Cardi, and I was like, yo, I think this could be something. And I was working with Birdman and, you know, Cash Money Records at the time. And I stopped working in that situation because I really believed in the KSR group movement. And I'm happy I did, because a lot of people blew up out of this movement. And Cardi is one of them. Another one is Hood Celebrity. Shout out to my sister. I don't know if she's still on here. But Hood Celebrity too, she got her big hits out. And Sammy Wilk is another artist on the label, and Who Knows Uno. And there's a bunch of artists that came out of this label, but Cardi was the first one. And that's how I got to work with her. I started producing her, started artist developing, and, you know, things went viral. Rick Ross, super cool. Shout out to Rick Ross for jumping on my song. It's a blessing. Sometimes I wake up, I can't believe it, because I always wanted him on this song. And Shaf surprised me with texting me the verse from Rick Ross. I'm like, Shaf, you couldn't like call me and tell me like check your email or check your text. He just texted to me for a surprise, and it was Rick Ross on it. I'm like, you know, you don't text somebody this, you give them a little heads up. But I was mad happy that he got it done, and shout out to Shaf for that. Rick Ross showed me mad love. Leon Born Moon, and Rick Ross really a cool garçon. The women music went pid. And he did the video with me, and I'm very humbled and blessed by it. So shout out to Rick Ross too for holding it down.
What was this experience that the couleur ou même with quoi ça fait vidéo ça? What was it?
It was super scary, because c'est on Rick Ross, man, God dele tout bali marche gros nèg, mais tout bali fait un gros bail. So me dit, yeah, you know, and then he did me so relax. He did me relax, man. You got it. You know, you got it. It's your time. C'est là pour même pour lever, pour monter, and dit, oh, that's dope, you know? You don't see, that's dope, you know? And he respect Haitians, man. For real, he love Haitians. And he, I think his DJ is Haitian as well. Yeah, Rick Ross, you know, rocks with Haitians a lot. And he was so cool, man. He was supportive. He made me realize that, you know, I'm here and we can get this done. And we shot a crazy video, and All on Me is the name of the song. If y'all don't know that song,
All on Me.
Y'all check it
out.
All
on Me. Yeah, I was gonna ask a question about. But mais qui l'a décidé ou même rentrer, you ouvre pour communauté haïtienne know about Josh X. Et on connaît mes cultures et pour dire définitivement ou pour faire bagay pour haïtien tout. And you come up with the song. I forget the name. It was like, what's the name of it again?
Creole Love.
Yes, Creole Love.
Creole Love, yeah, Creole Love for me. I started working, my first feature with a Haitian artist was T. Mickey, Sandro. And Sandro, you know Sandro, right?
Yeah.
Sandro we came to my house, we made a dope song. We put it out on his project. I always love the culture because I'm Haitian. I'm American, born here, but I don't feel like I'm American. I feel like I'm
American, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm manje tout diri, John, tu die, sauce parle game. So it's like, I don't go to McDonald's. Yeah, pickles. I don't use Tabasco sauce. I use pickles. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So everything for me is Haitian. But when I used to listen to the songs as a kid, you know, and listening to the T-Vices and listening to all those songs at the Haitian barbecue, I said, I gotta make my own music like this one day. And that's Creole Love. To me, is a fusion of compa and R&B music together. Okay. And that's how I'm gonna bring to the table as an artist. I'm gonna help the Haitian culture get further with the international platform. I feel like Haitian music should be everywhere. because it's the beautiful music. It's some of the most sexiest music out in the world. People just don't know about it. So I'm gonna do my best to make more.
There's a lot of people who don't know with Haitian music you can dance, make love to a woman.
Yeah,
easily.
Mais on me fait deux petites avec one dance. You feel me? You can have a whole family with one dance. So for me,
definitely,
I let people know that my job as a Haitian American artist is to advance the culture and to let people know that Haiti's a beautiful country, and and if the Haitians come together, we unstoppable. You feel me?
Definitively. Okay, but not too bad to Creole Love, la, please. Featuring MG, I think.
Yeah, this is featuring Saskia and Michael. Let's go. I'm gonna play your first verse. You know you're very special. My one true Creole. You changed my whole perception. So glad I couldn't trust. You might be superwoman. Girl, give me my first son. If heaven's above, is that where you from? Baby, do I deserve you? The chance that your love is about to find. The times you push me through. Can't picture a world without you by my side. So I'm for me, I need that energy. I get so high of you, sometimes I feel ecstasy. So I'm for me, Tumpy. I get so high of you, sometimes I feel ecstasy. Yes, sir.
Bobagay. I love it.
Thank you.
Kounia, est-ce que qui gens ou comment se senti communauté haïtienne après recevoir Jacques X?
I feel like it's a lot of love. A lot of people didn't even know I was Haitian, even though I'm rocking it all day on my bio, on my Instagram. Everywhere I post Haitian. I don't care if it's Billboard, Grammys, whatever it is, I'm letting everybody know I'm Haitian. But I'm so proud to feel the energy and the love being reciprocated. I feel like everybody's showing me love. I feel like the Haitians is like, oh shoot, I didn't know you was Haitian. And the minute they finding out, they're coming on, they're supporting me, they're listening to my music, and they keep telling me I'm making them proud. So I'm très content pour tout Haïtien for coming in and supporting me. It means a lot to me.
Ok, musique ou même Baki pour le sortir.
Oui.
Ou même Baki. Est-ce que c'est R&B plus rap ou bien qui j'en ai?
This is a rap R&B song. So this one right here is going to be a mixture of both. It's like a drill R&B hip hop song. But Baki, I could tell you, Baki came off hard, man. Baki came off incredible. And I cannot wait for the world to get a taste of this record. We're going to shoot a video. Shout out to Jean-Pierre. That's my point guy. Everything go through Jean. So you got to call Jean for the heat. Jean got the music before I got the music. So definitely he's going to be releasing it. He's going to be getting it out to the people. And I'm very thankful, man. I'm going to shout out Baki again because Baki showed me love, man. He sent that verse in real quick. During this pandemic, the whole COVID, he didn't give me no, it's COVID, back out, he just went in there, did his joint, and we about to make this thing go crazy in Haiti and all over the world.
Ok, non, mais l'op sorti là toute vidéo ou bien?
Oui, I'm shooting a video for sure. We're gonna shoot a whole video. We're gonna get lit. We don't know, maybe Miami. Let me see. My management telling me Miami or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna shoot it in Florida. But if I could come to Haiti and shoot a movie, we're gonna come to Haiti and shoot a movie.
It's a movie. It's gonna be a lot of work.
It's gonna be a lot. You gonna come?
I'm gonna come.
I say no more.
But I have my paper. That's when I can travel. They're all right.
I bet.
Ok. Non, mais est-ce qu'on a une date pour qu'il y ait une musique ou même à Baki? Et nous connaissons avec grand chanteur R&B. Yes, plus ou bien.
Something coming. Baki, I would say this record will be out in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, we just gotta shoot the video.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot the visual, but I'm gonna talk to my team. I think we'll be out by the end of this month.
Yeah, for sure.
The end of this month, like March.
By the end of this month for sure, we should be ready. Josh X, Baki, big Haitian wave. coming soon, real soon. This end of this month.
Big Haitian wave.
Yeah, big Haitian wave. Everything is Haitian wave. You know what I mean?
Good,
everything.
that's good. But après ça, qui l'autre projet gain après trois musiques ça? Est-ce que vous comptez faire un concert en Haïti?
I got my EP. My EP is super cool. It's called the Josh X Project. I'm super happy about it. It's 10 songs. I Miss You, which is top 20 on Billboard, is out of that project. Creole Love is off that project. So there's 8 more songs that y'all didn't hear that's gonna come, and I'm probably gonna drop that in April. I'm gonna drop my whole entire project with the Baki. That everything's gonna be on that one project.
On that one project?
Yeah, everything's gonna be on that one project. And so it's called the X Project.
Est-ce que ou même avec l'équipe Jean-Pierre, Chaf, déjà pensé pour nous présenter un concert Josh X en Haiti? Est-ce que nous pouvons penser sur ça?
Oui, nous parlons ça. I know Jean and my team. John's, you know, he's in charge of the whole Haitian wave. You feel me? He in charge of everything. I know for sure by this summer, we're gonna be looking to come into Haiti and making some noise, going viral. I can't wait to perform and come out there. You know, the press conference was so dope. That's where we met. You know, cool. Yeah, it was cool at JoJo's.
I remember my daughter telling, "Oh, I love his song. You sing very well." She's the one who tell me, "Dad, you sing like Michael Jackson." I said, "Yeah, this is the same voice, this same sound. The sound."
Tell your daughter I say that's incredible. Tell her I'm very honored and blessed.
Yeah.
Thank you. I feel like this project, you're gonna love it. There's so much songs coming from it, but this summer, hopefully, if COVID is, you know, everything is good with COVID, everything is safe, I would love to come to Haiti by the end of the summer and do a big concert. What's up, baby girl? That's my boo right there from LA. You know what I mean? I told you I got problems. I got problems, man.
I don't know, but I'm not saying that. So, pendant un petit ça, je me pose une question. Est-ce que figou me pour déjà? You big?
You know what I'm saying? To come there and go back, that's what kind of women. Again, to back, I'm going go shit. You know what I mean? When mon vinim la de chien pour aller prendre, you know what I mean? Because when I'm back, I want to trouble ça. On dit, qui machine moins, machine pas tailleux, bam, dit, hey. You feel me?
D'accord. Mais, qui genre ou même ou on a 10 ans, like 10 years after?
Your phone froze. Say it again.
Comme si, comment well, you know, not 10 ans, like.
In 10 years? 10 years,
10 years.
I feel like I'm gonna be a label executive. My plan is to continue to develop artists. I'm gonna be a world-known artist, touring all over the world, and a man of many businesses. I went to school for business and music, so I love business too. As an artist, I love to sing, I love to produce, but I also love to build businesses. So I have barbershops.
You love to invest.
Yeah, I love to invest. I love barbershops. I have barbershops open. I have a cooking platform I started opening to that guy can cook 100. They just come. I just said marry me. Hold on, let me see. All right, girl. I am married to me. Yeah, we married, baby. Mwah. That's my baby right there. So we, you know, the cooking platform right there. That's yeah. Thank you. That's the platform. Y'all should follow that. My uncle is a Haitian that cooks like crazy. Like my uncle Manny, he cooks Haitian food incredibly, American, European, tout bagay. So kounyam meme fò mon pè, konen sa m'di ça. But kounyam pa ka m'fè manger, I don't know how to cook. So kounyam di, the fun is like when you could cook. M'di, I know how to jouer and chanter, but he dit, est-ce que kon fè un du riz, un poisson? M'di non, pa ka fè rien, pa ka fè jeu, pa ka fè rien. So kounyam
di, c'est chanter, jouer piano.
That's it. Epi that's it. And acting. I'm an actor.
You're acting too?
Yeah, I have a show called Sisters Keeper that I'm acting on Amazon Prime. So y'all can check that out.
It's coming up.
It's out already. Sisters Keeper is the name of the show. Sisters Keeper. And it's on Amazon Prime. Y'all just put
I'll have to check it.
Yeah, check it out. It's a 10 series, 10 episodes. And I shot that. That's my first time acting, and I loved it. So I'm gonna be doing more acting. But I got this cooking show. That guy can cook, and that's really my thing for the next 10 years. You're gonna be seeing me building my music school, which is Experience Lessons. That's my music school. My whole developing artist and just traveling the world. That's what Josh X is gonna be doing in the next 10 years. You feel me?
Oh, this is nice, bro. This is
Thank
nice.
you, brother.
I
Thank
like
you.
it. So you don't have a date for now for the 3 new songs you're gonna put out there?
March 19th, I have a date for 2 songs coming. March 19th.
2 songs or the 3
yeah.
of them? 3 or 2?
2 of them are dropping for sure March 19th. My manager just said 2 for sure.
2 for sure.
Yeah.
But videos sure. After.
Yeah, the rest is gonna come after. But by March 19th, y'all definitely getting new Josh X music. I really feel excited about these songs because it's a completely different sound for what my fans and my supporters is used to. So this is gonna be some different, you know. You never heard Josh X like this before. So just know that it's gonna be heat.
Okay, I know. M'bavle toi gen bon konnen ou occupé. Kounya après Baki ou gen musique ça wap sorti là, est-ce que ou gen l'autre artiste haïtien ou gen projet après Michael Guiran, plus Baki, est-ce que gen l'autre artiste ou envie de faire travail avec eux?
Yeah, me and Mika Ben been talking, which is super cool. We gotta chop it up. We've been meaning to work on a few things, and then I'm gonna be working on something with Dro and Yanni. That's something that I'm gonna be cooking in. So that's 2. I'm gonna speak to Mika. I'm gonna see what we come up with, cause I know he played a guitar, he sing. I think
he's a producer too. Yeah,
he got a dope voice. Shout out to Mika Ben, and we gonna work together for sure. And then I got some stuff with Dro and Yanni. Sandra just sent me some music to put some music to, so I'm gonna work on that, and we gonna shoot that out. But we gonna stay in Haiti. We gonna stay in Haiti. You feel me?
So, ok, ça veut dire pendant ou international là, ou vle pour nan communauté haïtienne.
La Kai. Everything is for the Kai, and I feel like it doesn't matter. Even though I get played all over the country and I'm played all over, it's the most important thing for me right now is to let my Haitians know that I'm here for them and I'm representing for that blue and that red flag all day. Everything is Haiti. You feel me? Haitian way. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure it's my business to stay active in Haiti, not just with the music, but with fundraisers and charity and children. I have my Uncle Pedro. Shout out to my Uncle Pedro. Tap in Haiti. He's doing Crick Crack, the cell phone company for Haiti, and everything I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be linking up with my Uncle Pedro and doing a lot of great things for the community in Haiti. So it's not just music. I just want to give back to my country that my family's from, because that's who I am today. If my mom was not Haitian and my mom was American, I don't think I would have made it today. And I say that very respectfully, because the culture that my mom had, even Haiti, it was so strong. It was so strong that she didn't allow me to fail. She did not allow me to fail. So shout out to all the strong Haitian mothers making sure they're taking care of their kids. Salute to y'all, for real.
Okay, one question. Did Wyclef Jean, you know, Wyclef Jean already text you, congratulate you?
Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy. Wyclef and me work together already, been in the studio a long time. Wyclef is a good friend of mine. Shout out to Wyclef. Jerry Wonder. The whole
Jerry Wonder, yeah.
Yeah, Jerry Wonder and me got like maybe 15 songs together. He's a part of those. Yeah, he's a part of some of that unreleased music that I haven't put out yet. But me and Wyclef started a song.
So that means you have 15 songs, but you and him produced?
Yeah. Yeah.
But
just in the vault. Kim is on the vault. You know what I mean?
We're not cough.
Yeah, and then when we see that it's time, because timing is everything. Remember, yes. I like the time. When I see that the time, like the song I Miss You, that's top 20 on Billboard, I had that song for 5 years before I released it. So the songs I have with Jerry, I was just speaking to Jerry maybe 3 weeks ago, and he was telling me it's time to put the music out. But we're going to get to it. Shout out to Jerry Wonder and Wyclef. They both showed me love. Instantly, and I'm very blessed for that. Wyclef especially, he showed me a lot of love and shared a lot of great advice to me as a person. So big up to Wyclef and Jerry Wonder, for real.
Okay, good. But qui sont envie de tout haïtien parce que nous get parler pile là. Nous get dire pile ba oui. Mais moi toujours pas. OK, ben nous ti ba sou ba Bakia ou même Bakia.
Oh.
Only one key.
No. It's no play. It's no play. It's gangster stuff. Gangster stuff. I can't play it.
It's boom
See,
boom
I
stuff.
play a little bit. Hold on. Let me let you hear a little bit. Since you my guy, since you my brother,
Yes.
I'm gonna
Just a
play
little. I just want to, you know,
just on ticala.
I want to guess what's coming.
Yeah, boy, Josh X. Lucky. It's excuse me, act up, go crazy, souffle.
I like it.
Guess you didn't hear me the first time. I suppose I sent shots to bring you into your life. They know you small time. Excuse me.
If that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
Merci un pile. M'te getan fier et content de reconnaître en Haïti. M'te getan ouais tout ça bien dans la presse conférence là.
Oui.
M'a dit merci à Chaf, à Jean-Pierre, Frédéric t'es invité dans la presse conférence là. Puis juste ça me bat point et puis ils ont dit tel artiste international a fait une presse conférence.
Oui.
Ils dit ah monsieur, je me filme mon cigare m'a reçu ma venue. Et puis m'te content.
Exactly.
M'te content de venir.
It was super dope meeting you too, man. Your energy is super cool, man. For real.
Yeah, it's real. It's real.
It's real.
Sure.
I can feel it.
Yes, man. Et continuer travail bakaten et pour mettre tout même m'a fait tout point possible même pour me bailler support par de coulant et des ventes soit pas sorti parce que mon communauté haïtienne doit connaître plus et tendre plus de où.
Oui.
Yo recevoir un pilates international et pendant ce temps même même valeur, stock market ou pas descendre même.
Oui.
Et puis pour pas jouer même pendant ou offrir tout pour haïtien pour dire OK, welcome back ou bien welcome parce que c'est petit Haïti.
Oui,
et pour dire ça vous pouvez là on doit dire ah bon pour jouer avec tout gros artiste ou pas parler de Michael Guira ou pas parler de Baki ou pas parler de son Haïti aller enjoy manger poisson griot fritaille même fritaille manger Haïti pas oui
ah fritaille on don't tasso on lagi on tasso
est-ce qu'on remet avec une femme haïtienne déjà?
Qui ça?
Est-ce qu'on remet avec une femme Haïti déjà? Une femme
haïtienne? Si me dit un problème, c'est avec toute forme, tout côté, même forme, tout côté. But haïtien forme c'est pile bon forme même. Because haïtien forme quand tout bagage même pas qu'à parler ça, comme pas avec un petit coup, pas avec un petit coup, but kounya me dit on l'autant. Yes, on femme haïtienne is one of my favorite.
OK, pendant qu'on parle de femme haïtienne, il y a grand pile artiste femme haïtienne qui ou qu'on connaît bien sûr qui ou pas d'arriver chanter à une.
Yeah, Felicia Ross, is that her name? Did I say it right?
Yeah, Felicia Ross.
Yeah, I feel like that's something that I would love to work with, and hopefully we get a chance to work with because I believe she plays the piano, and
yes.
I love that. I think we could make a dope song together, back and forth. You feel me?
Yes, again with Rochelle, again Darlene Descar.
Yeah, Rochelle's another one too. Super dope. Super dope. I love her music. But I think Felicia Ross for me, just though I was so caught up with the piano playing, and I think that we could kill something. But we work. Remember, I got Saskia on Creole Love. Saskia. Okay. So yeah, that's you know Saskia, right?
Yes, I know her.
Yeah, she's on Creole Love, but. After her, I'll probably work with, I'm going to reach out to Felicia, see if we can make something dope for the culture.
So I think it's going to work. It's going to work.
I think so, too. I think it could be something fire.
Yes,
Saskia
just say,
hey. Yeah, that's, yeah. Yeah, Saskia in the building. What up, Saskia? Yeah,
that's
she
nice.
got a new
That's
song
nice.
Too. Make sure y'all follow her and y'all listen to her new single that just dropped too, which is a movie. Hey, what up, Freddie? What's up, man? I got all my boys.
Send the song. After that, send the song for me. The song Saskia just put out.
This the one.
No, the one Saskia did.
Yeah,
you tell me she just put something out. Just send it to me after.
Yeah, she just dropped a new song and it's fire. I think she dropped it like 2 Fridays ago. She just dropped it, but definitely fire. Make sure y'all stream that on all platforms and y'all check outside. That's my little sis right there. We outside.
All right, good. So, mon cher, merci un peu. Nous avons fait un bon petit parler. Nous avons aimé faire Haïti en pile.
En pile.
Nous avons dit même avec Josh. Les noirs Haïti, ça réglé ni Jean-Pierre. Je ne vais pas fouiller dans le calalo. OK? Mais, quel que soit côté Josh et même dit Josh, côté Chaf, nous connaissons. M'konnen Richard. M'pa parler. Okay.
Yo, you
Moi,
funny,
c'est
man.
Josh X. Thank you.
Man. I appreciate
Because
it.
I know ou occupé en pile, ou toujours produit, ou toujours travail, et ou bon petit temps ça, et pour nous faire une étape parler, mon cher, franchement, vraiment apprécier ça, et m'pas attendre pour sortir IPA, et m'pas attendre pour sortir tout reste projet.
Thank you.
And one of my dreams, anytime you're doing a concert in Haiti, I really want to be there.
Yo, I promise you, you're gonna make sure we got you and your daughter front row seats. Okay,
Thank
Booby? Booby gonna make sure of it, and I tell you, my management's gonna make sure you good, because I really mess with your vibe and your energy. Like, I could feel when someone's genuine. And from the time he was in Haiti, your energy was lit. That's why when I saw who it was, I was super excited to do this as well. Shout out to all my people in here, Cheyenne T, Fred Lee. I see all my people in here, Saskia, I love you too, sis. Everybody in here showing me love. We outside.
Let's go. Bro. But do something before you left, bro.
I got
do something for the people, man.
Yeah, this is my top 20 Billboard hit called I Miss You. Available on all platforms. Here we go.
Here we go.
Fine happened to me. Baby, please don't you leave. I ain't never lost someone. I'm only in this new Maserati. This house is empty. It's getting messy. You don't even want this Ferrari. I don't know how I'm gonna let you go. Na 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 na. I let this get too far. I'm speeding in my car. The plane is on the runway. Nobody's leaving. It's all flights this evening. Na 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 na. You can get away, especially not today. Baby, let me say, girl, my heart is bleeding. Your heart is bleeding. All I need is one more hug, one more call, one more time to tell you I love you. One more hug, one more kiss, one more. I miss you, 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 babe. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. Hey, you.
Thank you very much, Josh X.
I appreciate y'all, man. Shout out to everybody, man. I love y'all. And, you know, let's stay in tune, man. I really appreciate you. For real, you know that. For real.
Same old. There's a lady, a beautiful lady who said she wants you to sing in let me see, where is it?
Sing at my wedding. Yeah, okay, baby girl. You know that. You know that.
You know DM Shaft or DM the manager.
We gonna sing at the wedding anytime. That's my boo right there. What's up, girl?
All right, man. Thank you very much.
Salute, man. Stay safe, man, and keep it up. Thank you. I appreciate you, my brother. God bless.
Same to you, bro.
God bless.
All right.
Peace.
Good. Ok, mesdames et messieurs, pour moi, c'est un honneur. C'est un honneur lié là où recevoir un artiste qui aime pays, qui a un pile talent, qui a un pile sagesse, qui a un pile love, qui a un pile respect. Au monde, malgré tout succès international, malgré tout faute qu'il gagne, il était quoi que fuck pays, fuck drapeau flotter. Il pas en pile, son bagage qui rare. Félicitations à Jacques X, et puis continue à faire le Jacques, et puis il y a un pile de produit pour le sortir. Fanatique Baki, il pas oublié, Jacques parle sur son musique ensemble avec Baki, et puis il y a un paquet de bails qui viennent. Ouais, ça, définitivement, même, ma posture, parce que faut que nous apprécions et remettre. C'est ton plaisir. Tout le monde, Allah, nous, reposez-nous. N'a pas live tout à l'heure, parce qu'à 9h, après, pour me faire un live avec un autre monde, mais son modèle, on l'autre bagarre à pied. Merci à Pile, merci à Chaf, merci à Fredly, merci à Jean-Pierre, merci à Bentley et Fortuné, merci à iTax, et services, et puis merci à Cam Transfer. Welcome to my world. C'est un plaisir, Malé. Merci à tout le monde qui m'a badge, Kadash Kikoff, Jean-Pierre Studio. Merci. Et puis, n'a pas allé. Bye.